Good morning, everyone. I'm Pat Eddington. I'm the Assembly member here in the 3rd Assembly District. And I just want to say, like, I look at you, you look all very healthy and wide awake, you know, on a Saturday morning. And I'm a great believer and supporter of alternative medicine, as well as naturopathic medicine as opposed to allopathic medicine. I'm really happy that we have both. And doing Tai Chi, Qigong, is just another way of implementing a healthy body, mind, and soul technique. So as a registered herbalist, too, speaking of the pharmaceutical industry, my husband and I watch the commercials. Every other commercial is a drug. You know, so we're like really pushing our young people into thinking that all you have to do is open the medicine cabinet. So I think what you're doing here is just wonderful. It's too bad that you couldn't do it at Shorefront Park and breathe in the beautiful water and the ocean air. You know, that is really a nice part of Tai Chi. And I'm jealous of you all doing this today because I would love to join you, get back into doing Tai Chi again. So on behalf of the New York State Assembly, I want you all to know that we recognize that this is a very important stress reduction technique. And we have a legislative resolution that was read on the floor of the New York State Assembly stating that New York takes great pride in recognizing official days established to increase awareness of ways to deal with serious issues that affect the lives of all New Yorkers. And whereas stress is a primary factor in the majority of all healthcare issues, and the practice of Tai Chi, Qigong,
you got it right. Don't worry.
Chinese methods of relaxation and rejuvenation have presented an opportunity to take advantage of their health and fitness benefits. And whereas it is the intent of this assembled body to commemorate the 5th anniversary of Taiji Qigong Day in Patchogue, Suffolk County, New York, to be celebrated on April 30th, 2005. And whereas Tai Chi Qigong are practiced by many people to lessen the impact of arthritis and chronic pain, minimize the effect of chronic conditions such as allergies, asthma, reduce stress, relieve digestive disorders, that's what I need, lower high blood pressure, increase flexibility, develop lower body strength, and improve balance and coordination. And whereas the primary purpose of Tai Chi and Qigong is to provide an opportunity for those who have an interest in the health benefits of practicing these arts to interact with practitioners who demonstrate the forms and answer questions and concerns about the arts, the health benefits, and the availability of instruction. And whereas one of many communities participating in the World Tai Chi and Qigong is Patchogue in Suffolk County, New York, for the 5th year the residents will be able to attend this event, which links them with some of Long Island's premier Tai Chi Qigong instructors. Tai Chi and Qigong Day will be held at Shorefront Park on April 30th, 2005, or St. Francis de Sales, whereby recognizing the benefits of Tai Chi and Qigong, it is hopeful that more New Yorkers will embrace the benefits of these Chinese arts. Now, therefore, be it resolved that this legislative body pause in its deliberations to commemorate the 5th anniversary of Tai Chi Qigong Day in Patchogue, Suffolk County, New York, on April 30th, 2005. And that a copy of this resolution will suitably be engrossed and transmitted to Laurince, McElroy, coordinator of the 2000 World Tai Chi Qigong Day in Patchogue. Congratulations.